close your eyes. Imagine the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea, the hum of cicadas, the scent of olive groves, and two neighboring islands waiting to be explored. Kefalonia and Ithaca may share the same waters, but each offers a distinct rhythm of life and a different kind of escape. Kefalonia, the larger of the two, dazzles with drama. Towering Mount Anos cuts a striking silhouette against the horizon, while beaches like Myrtos and Anasamos sparkle like jewels. Nature here is bold and unfiltered, with underground lakes, pine-covered hills, and coastal caves that invite you to explore. Villages like Assos and Fiscardo pair colorful charm with a touch of Italian flair, a legacy of the Venetians who once ruled this land. Across the narrow strait lies Ithaca, quieter, humbler, but deeply poetic. Revered as the home of Odysseus, it holds a mythical weight that Kefalonia doesn't seek to rival. In Ithaca, time slows. You hike along ancient paths to hidden monasteries or gaze from the Cathara Monastery to views that seem pulled from Homer's verses. Its beaches are not vast, but secluded and sacred feeling, places like Gadaki or Filiatro that invite introspection as much as sunbathing. Kefalonia is where you conquer peaks and fill your camera roll. Ithaca is where you breathe deeper and fill your soul. One offers excitement and variety, the other whispers history and solitude. Both provide a kind of beauty that speaks directly to the traveler's spirit, but which one speaks louder to you? So, would you choose to chase the wild landscapes of Kefalonia or walk in the footsteps of myth on timeless Ithaca?